Alright, so we've got some flare guns, and we need to make sure that it works. We gotta make sure, right? So, might as well go ahead and shoot one off just to... do you need hearing protection?
I'll be okay.
Okay, cool. It's pretty good.
That went pretty far. As far as I thought it was. 3, 2. Wow.
Pretty good.
That went pretty far.
So what's your review of that, like compared to a regular gun? A nice pop?
Yeah, it actually didn't kick very hard, but I thought it would. It looks like a shotgun shell.
See, that'd be good to have a big old fire. Like gasoline.
Yeah, gasoline. Oil barrel.
Oh,
Yeah.
where'd you buy those at?
Walmart.
You can find this in the sporting goods department.
Like your
Don't shoot it just yet. We need to get the
50th.
clickbait thumbnail, okay? Go. Pretty fun, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Are there any lakes around here? Are there any lakes around here? Because evidently you can skip across the water. And it'd be on fire too. I guess it'd be with my stepbrother, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, so that's been 3 flare shells fired by my stepbrother, who's much more experienced with guns than I. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.